that subscribe button. It's a king size bed that I'm making, so it's 80 inches long and 76 inches wide is the bed itself. So this is 2 by 10 plus an inch and a half, so I got about 11 inches high. So these boards here I made 3 inches longer, and these ones 3 inches shorter for that. And my 80 inches is actually an inch and a half past here, like this, and goes like that. So the bed actually sits on here like that around, and then the middle brace. And then I'm gonna take and screw some boards on here, and then have a 1 by 3 coming across here. I think there's 14 of them to give the middle some support. That's that. And then to put everything together, and I already did that all. I got these and this. They just go in there, so you can see I have a hole in there. This goes into that hole, and then this comes down. There it is, like that, and you screw it in there, and you're good. I needed to do that. I couldn't just screw these. I need to be able to take this apart. So that's why, or else I would never get it into upstairs. So that's what I did. These I actually took and put PL 400 on here, in there, and then screwed it on, and that's solid, not going anywhere. So that's the bed frame itself. And these here are actually old, like it's maple hardwood flooring that I found on Kijiji. Someone was giving it away. They had some water damage and redid their floor, so the contractor that was doing that was putting this into bags. I think I went and got 20 bags of it, so I have a crap ton of this stuff. So that's for the headboard, which is coming, like, they're 19 and a half, I think I made them. So then they'll just glue them all together. So that's the bed frame part, and on the headboard, like I showed you, that stuff is for in the headboard. And then 2x4s here that I actually went and I did this. Made a groove in there so everything all snaps together, and I'm gonna glue it all together. And I just did that all with the table saw. I set the blade to this width, I swapped the board around, cut it here, and then kept moving the table saw guide over to get the rest of that out of there. And then I guess just essentially opposite, kind of went like that, cut it there, and then got rid of that, moved the guide over again to get rid of the rest of that on there. So this is the side, this will be the bottom. So yeah, I'm gonna take and glue that on right now, actually. So let's do this. Is actually a pretty cool clamp. Just goes into a 2x4. Slide it in there. Just slide it on the 2x4. Come on. There we go. There. Slide it onto the 2x4. You'll clamp it down. Just like that. I got the other side on there already. I don't know if you can see that. Then you got yourself a good sized clamp. That's what I'm going to use because I don't have anything bigger than that. So otherwise, yeah, So. All right, so we got that glued and clamped. Yeah, on there, we'll leave that dry for overnight here. Got it over there. Use PL 400 again, so that should stick together. So then once I'm ready for it, these boards go in there. I gotta either stick them through the planer. I'm not 100% sure what I'm gonna do yet. Apparently it doesn't go in there, but they'll go in there like that. I gotta run them through a table saw to get that notch off. So they go in there. There's another piece here that's gonna come in the middle here, like that, and then these boards will come. That one will go in there against that piece, and then do them staggered like that. So that'll do it for this one. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. There'll be more of this. The next few of my videos here will be this. Keep watching, subscribe, like, comment, share. Have a great day.